How much? Yo, chat, me so far, I start stream like 8:20. You see me? It's a background music you're too loud, bro. Me turn this down. Yo, chat, why pre? Wanna hear me? Hopefully, wanna hear me loud and clear. I think we have news in our next one. We have news in our own. At 8:30 we have news. And next one, 4 minutes. Yo, they already have some levels mark up in a chat. Basically, we in a uptrend. Price bullish right now. Clearly a uptrend, but price push up. We start for range, as you can see. Okay, so it's a push up. Price reject, push up, print another high, reject, push up, push back down, top 70, print a fake out all the way back up, fill the range, forward back down, go back up, go back down. So as you can see, chat price just like we just up down in this range. You see me? So when we did that wait pan, it's like a breakout at the range. Once price break out at the range and then push back down, close back into the range with more than for some sales, you see me? But more than if you see like a closure below, price retest, and then once price push back down and like will flip or re-break the lows, could look for sales go down towards the range fill. You see me, chat? Something like this I look for. But we got 2 minutes until this 50-minute candle close, and that would be after news. Because we have the news candle, at 8:30 as well. So yeah, chat. And if we push down, fill the range, we don't get no entry. We just wait for like price break the lows and push back up, close back into the range. Or back above the range. We could look for buys above 93. Put this higher. 94, 44, 94. We'll see, we got news in a minute, chat. I'll see how price close and how the news can go react. See you later. Hold on there, chat. There's something I'll load up. I'll load up this real quick. Switch. Alright, I'm good now, good now. Just in time. The news can go. Alright, chat, I'm see how this I wanna see how the candle go react. This side news candle. I don't look for trade it though. Normally wait for news forward out and take advantage of the leftover volume. You see me? Look like we forward out, like price move slow. See if it go pick up like in the next 5 minutes. I say normally forward out sometime. Sometimes we have like news, like the news can go open up and like we get volume like later on. Sometimes the volume is not like instant. Yeah, we're gonna have to play waiting game though, chat, cause I'm surprised in our range right now. We're going either after like sales them going down would have be decent, you see me? But if we're not getting a sales, would I just have to wait and like until we get a closure like below the range. Or if price push back up, we'd have to wait until we get a closure above the range. Next can go reject, push back down to at least like 90, 44, 90. Then would that be good? Bro, you have my care. I, bro, then just love, follow me up, dog. Nice chat. So me that look for like in order for we take buys, we could look for buys above like 94. And if price just pops straight above, we could look for like range 2 buys. So for example, if this bullish can go open up, we push down, we print a low, can go flip bullish, we push up, we print a high, minor rejection. If we push up and we just push past 95, we could look for a range 2 buys. So this basically would be range 1. So it's like the resistance, this would be range 1. So once price stop that resistance or if a breakthrough, would wait for a pullback. Once price pull back, close back above for the second time, this would be range 2 right here. So I will do for take buys above this level to continue up. So that's what I mean by range 1, range 2 chat. So this would be range 1, this yellow line, and this would be range 2 right here. Here's my chat. That's all it is. So I'm gonna wait for like same thing for the sales chat. If I look for sales, we could wait for a top wick and we could look for a range 2 breakout as well. Or a range fill, not really a breakout. As I expect price to fill the range down towards 80. This is the official breakout 4480.50. After that top weight candle flip sells them going down look clean chat. Let me measure the range. Got like a this hour 30 and we print a low candle reject. So yeah, when Tuesday. So chat, you see this 5 minute candle pushed down towards 44.84. Now the candle start for reject. That good because even if price gonna push down, even if we're gonna push bearish, we're gonna need like structure on the way down, like lower highs. So this can go reject. This 5 minute can go reject. If I drop down to the minute time frame, you would see it's just a bullish candle going up. You see me? For like another top week. So that's basically what the 5 minute can go do in chat. So if we print a high, if something like this can go open up, we push down towards 85, we reject, we print a high on the minute time frame, then we re-break its lows and we get a closure below 44.84. This can go close in like a minute. If we manage to close below after we print a high chart, we could look for sales on the next candle. After the next candle print a high and then flip bearish, could look for sales on the flip once we break this range right here. Yeah, expect a range fill. That would have been the idea. Is in my chat, but we got like a minute left until this candle close. So let's see if we can close below. We already print a high at 88, 44.88. Stream delay kind of terrible, bro. I swear. And that me that check just now. That me that look on just now, chat, like it's stream delay. We have like 15 to 20 second delay right now. Stream delay kinda terrible, bro, I swear. I've got to try to fix that though. Cause we have a 20 second delay when I scalp that crazy, bro. It trade might freaking over with before you even like see it on your screen. Cause it delay so long. But me have like a Discord server though, chat, like Discord now have no delay. So if you want like you trade them without delay, you can just join the Discord. I wonder why my YouTube have so much delays though. I wonder what cause that. I wonder if my Wi-Fi cause that. No, never did I expect that, and I swear. No. Got what, 12? Close back into the range, 0.5, 1 minute. I'm pretty much just a range. Just be a range, chat. Just have to like wait for like a breakout. Either we break the highs or we break the lows. We can get some value. Bro, I can't glad dog. Let me see if we have nothing else. Nah. We have what, 9:15? October date. Why October data? What that? October data. What the fuck, bro? What that mean? October data. What that mean, chat? Find me time frame, we're just stuck in the range. Me even send out the link, bro. I realize recently I stop sending out the link, bro, when I start go live. But always I forget. Come and talk about feature, man. I need that. Looking at the guy, can you find whoop? 9 minutes. Re-breaking the laws. And I kill a coward. I get an hourly closure and 9 minutes to chat and the 4 hour. So we're good. I want to see the next 4 I can like open up anyways. And if we close above like 44.86 chat, if we close above 44.86.79, buy is still valid to go up towards the wick fill. If we close above this level we have right here, this level, if we close bullish above that, if we close bullish respecting, yeah, you might get a top wick. After a top wick, once I can go flip bearish, we push down and we top 83, 44.83 after a top wick. Let's see though. Wait and see how they can close. Range fill. Price just a glitch. Like a volume just start to pick up. Now that will break the lowest chat. Volume just start pick up. So chat, I just make some adjustment, isn't me? Since price push heavily bearish. Volume finally kick in. Yeah, so that. Come and talk about feature, we don't need that. Chat, I'm just trying to find like the next best level. We could look for text cells below, and that look like it's going to be 44.17. But we don't need a closure below this level though. Another top wick. If we can get that off the next minute time frame, we could look for some inches. We need to see this can go push up, print a top wick, and then flip bearish. What's the range going down? It's like 20, 22. So chat, yeah, let me see. That would be the re-break of the candle lows, and we got 1 minute left. So yeah, chat, sells on this minute candle flip, that would be decent, bro. I swear. But this minute candle would have to flip though. Once we flip bearish, We look for tech sales going down. I'm not looking for any weak entry. Only if this can go flip. Anything below like 73, 44, 73 would be clean range to go down towards 71. Easy me child. You can either go break even once price top 44.71. You can risk free the trade and hold it either down towards like 69 or down towards 67. But yeah, I would expect like 71 get filled easily once this can go, if this can go flip back bearish and close below the range. See you later. I saw a 4 or yeah. Chat, I'm just waiting for a closure below chat. That's what I'm waiting on right now. Mini candle close back into the range. 5 minutes. We still got 2 minutes left. 45 candle close, and if this candle close bullish back into the range, you would expect another bottom wick down towards 44.78. Once I candle flip bullish, close above like 85. That would be decent. This 4 candle I got close bearish, bro. That's crazy. Be bullish the whole time. Me killer hear my phone never miss call. Like a rejection. About much. 46 towards the low. We have last minute left until this 4-hour candle close, chat. Couple ways we can go about this. It depends on how we close though. First way, if this candle close weak bearish, chat, open up, we push down first. We tap like 73, 4473. We could look for weak entry buys because you would expect the next 4-hour candle to flip bullish at some point after we tap like the support level. If we close and we open up, we print a high first and then we flip bearish, then we most likely look for sells and avoid the weak entry buys. So let's see, we close bearish. I'm gonna see some close bearish below. Alright, and the 15 below and the 30 as well. So chat, since we close below, we could wait for a top wick. The wick fail that are like 40. We could wait for a top wick, chat. If this can go print a top wick, we could look for sells and they can go flip. But we would need to see a top wick though. I guess that won't happen. And this hour, by the way, yeah. Re-break. So chat, since we print a mini high at 80, I wait for like the re-break at the highs. Could either take a weak entry or wait for this candle flip and re-break the highs. I think the re-break at the highs would be more safe. Just want to add like a extra confirmation to it. Since we print like a mini top wick and the bearish, like the momentum is kind of like a high right now, the bearish volume. So instead of the weak entry, I'm going to wait until this can actually flip bullish. If we do, once we flip, we could look for buys on the flip or the re-break at the highs. On the re-break at the highs, what's the range we have going up? It's like 30. Boom. And that would be a breakout as well. Would expect this it's no how it can go. Once we flip bullish, we should be able to re-break it highs. So I think I did my thing, I did, you know. And we'll push down first in a minute. Got a minute left by 5. Price re-breaking is lowest chat, so we just have to be like more patient, cause we have idea if this can go like flip bullish, if this 15 flip bullish, we have idea for the flip. We never take no weak entry buys because like price, like the volume, the bearish like momentum did just like high. So that's the reason why I'm avoid the weekend chat. And as you can see, price like it's like we print a mini top wick, we push down, and when we tap this level, price did reject, but push back down, re-break it slow as I fill the range. So yeah, that's why I'm just trying to avoid that. But we're still good though. Like once we get like a closure chat, if we get a closure below like we call this again 43.73 within like 30 seconds, another top wick. We need to see like a top wick push all the way up to like 75, 44.75. That would be decent. That look for sales on the candle flip. If that happen. Yeah, and 67 could be weekend trip buy as well, chat. If we tap 44.67, what the fuck? Nah, goal moving crazy, dog. Like it, bro. Chat, but me I say 44.67. We could look for some weekend trip buys, cause that's like a support level, and like the 15 minute time frame. But bro, price just glitch, just drop. No top wick, no nothing, bro. Structure still bullish though, like overall. This is our the daily flip. We almost there. We push down towards 54 just now. 55. We almost flip on the daily just now, chat. But damn. Let me see, like how much this drive down. If we did enter, that's like 110. We'll probably still be in. That's like 110 pips drawdown. We'll probably still be in this trade. Cause stop loss is like 150, sometimes 130. But that move, bro, that was crazy. We never expect that. Let me just delete all these lines, chat, get some new levels markup. Chart look kinda messy. After we get that. So since we print such a steep low, we push down towards 44.55. If this 4 can go flip, chat, cause remember we did have buy idea for like the 4 can go flip. I think we have ideas for like on the rebreak at the highs, yeah. I have like a 60 pip range going up if that will happen. And for the sales them, we're waiting for see like a closure below, chat. We get like a closure below another top wick. Once the can go flip, we could look for sales and the can go flip. Yeah. We got what, 7 minutes until the 15 close. This 5 close in 2 minutes 30 seconds. Let's see if this 5 minute can manage to close below. If we close below, we could look for sales. If we continue down, it's like what, 40 pip range going down. Risk free and the rebreak at the lows. That would have been decent. No freaking data to the left. When this minute closure, previous can go close without a week as well. So chat, like a week is a range, as I'm gonna say every day. Well, not every day, but most times me like it's like a week is a range, chat. Whenever a candle close like a no wick candle, so this previous minute candle will close without a wick. Whenever that happen, the next candle is likely to reject bullish. Yeah, see what I say, chat, cause if the candle close with no wick, that means we have no range. So if we have no range, the next candle should be able to push up. That's just something my mentor sample size, and I started using it. But yeah, let's keep that in mind, chat. A wick is a range. Whenever a candle close with no wick, the next candle likely to reject. It don't happen like 100% of the time, but majority of times that's what happens whenever you see like no wick candle like that. I think the candle did close bullish, yeah. Oh, if this 5 all close respecting, bro, that would be crazy. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I will close below. Let me see. We don't need a top wick, chat. We could still look for sales below like 67, but we don't need a top wick. We don't need a top wick. Steep top wick too. So 20 and 28. Aight, man. Four minutes left until the 15 close, chat. We could definitely look for sales below 44.67, but we would need a top wick. This mini candle would have to print a top wick and re-break its lows. I would say a top wick at 44.71 would be decent minimum. We came close. This might be it, but yeah, need a top wick and a closure below 67. Or if this mini candle don't do it, or if this 5 minute candle don't do it, we'll just wait on the 15 closure. Cause if this 15 close bearish in 3 minutes, the next 15 should be able to print a top wick. We could just get entry off the next 15-minute candle in 3 minutes. But we'd have to close below though, chat. We have to close below. Once price reach back above like 44.76 or 44.79, then we can start like look for buys. Or if we're going to take buys below 79, it would have to be a wick entry buy, chat. But yeah, got what, 2 minutes left. I kinda like trading all-time highs, you know. Gold just move different. But the only thing I don't like about all-time highs, you have like no you have no historical data. You can't even look left and see like where price was able to react from in the past. So that's the only like downsides to it. No historical data, but I like the way I like price move. When we're at all-time highs, like we're more volatile. Alright, we're going to get a closure in 50 seconds. We still have a level. We also have a level at 44.71. That's also a level. See if price can close below there. Or if chat, if we close respecting chat. What's the range going up? 40. That's like a 40 pip range. This hour, it's like 35. Boom. Oh, but certain guy can go close and print a high and a low already though. So chat, we could definitely look for sales on the next 15-minute candle, as I'm gonna say. But same thing, we need a top wick. 71 is a good level. If we close below 71, we could still look for sales going down towards 67, 44, 67.99. So we get a closure below, but now we need a top wick. Now we need to see this kangaroo reject, print a high. Let me see how 75 look. We already top 72. Let me see how that look. Or even 74 minimum. Rebreak at the highs. So yeah, chat. Need to see a top wick on this 15 before I look for sales. I have a level at 44.73. 44.73. Yeah. So is either price like rebreak the previous candle high, push up towards 40.73 if you're top wick, and then flip bearish before I look for any type of like sell position. What do they do? Cham, just have a patient. There's it. When I get an entry confirmation, there's no entry confirmation. We never top 74. We not even rebreak the previous candle highs, the previous 5-minute highs. So yeah, could have entered on this 15-minute candle. So I'm just still. We are killing with now, but we'll see what fight their room in your boss house. Yo, me afford. Let me see some. Oh, we're good. A journal, bro. You know, I need to edit that. Oh, long for freaking edit the journal. No. Can't edit that. Man, I do it still. Cause that's important. I have to get that done. Yeah. Chat, I just basically watch this, bro. And like, if I'm not getting an entry confirmation, I can't really enter. You see it? I have to just watch and see what price I do. Wait for closures below or above a certain type of level. Me know. I think I see them already to panigram. Wait, how would I? Let me see it. Oh. Yeah, I think I see that video there already. Yeah, same thing me say now. Chat at this minute candle me a pre-chat, like not the minute, this 5 minute candle. If we can manage for top, like I would say like 66, 44, 66. Buy stop on the candle flip would be decent. But I want like that might be enough, but like just this yellow line 66. If this level get top, then I would place buy stop on the candle flip. But since we never top this level, GG's. And I would only hold towards the range fill chat. I think would be risk free. Would be risk free by now. But we never top 66. 66 or yeah, 66. 44, 66.11. Feel the range. We came close though. Can just wait for buys above 71 would be decent as well. Go up towards 74. Some range just different. Got 8 minutes for this 30 close. Yo, chat, give me like 2 seconds, chat. You see me? May I forward? May I go to the door and pick up something? But may I wait and see how this can go close though. Hopefully I don't have too much lines about my chart. Surprise push up, rebreak the highs. See chat, this I would made a wait pan from like at first, bro. We did I wait for like a rebreak at the highs, and would I take sells? But first just rebreak the highs just now and now flip bearish. That what should have happened on like the first candle. This one right here. Got our 6 minutes until the 15. Until the 15 close. So chat, I'm gonna like wait 6 minutes and see how we close. On like the high time frame to like close, we're gonna have like a better understanding of like price. Yeah. Everything in a one. People are better going hard, dog. So move. We have the last 4 minutes left, chat. I just wanna see. I wanna see how this close. 5 minute rebreaker lows. What's that? The range going down. After that'll be like 30, 36. I have to get rid of some of them there, bro. I mean, I want to get confused, chat. I'm just delete some of them there. Oh, I got what? 3. Music, music, man, I want to sleep, bro. What kind of music, there, my dog? Focus, dog. Got like what, 5 minute candle close in a minute, 15 minute candle close, weak bullish, 30 minute candle close below. Wait, we still got 20 seconds. What the? We still got 20 seconds left. I'm leaning more towards like the buys chat, but it just depends on how we close go. So we close below, push down first. Still I wait. For the even print a high, like a rebreak of the high at 66 will be decent, but we never print no high. Price just pops straight down. Mama, do you have one like right as I do? So since we fill the range chat, we just I feel like adjust every time price fill the range. That's the me usually I'm just adjust like new levels, get new levels mark up. Can I measure this? Let me see a daily look. Like daily about to flip bearish. I just don't like the structure though. It can work, you know, the structure what we have going down chat can work, but I don't really like it. It could have been better than that. Structure could have been way better than that. Range get fill again. Chat, I'm not chase price. I'm not chasing gold, bro. Like, I'm just waiting for like an entry confirmation. That's all I'm waiting at. Whenever I get an entry confirmation, then I'll execute. But price just a push, bro. Price just a melt. No, like real confirmation for real. Goal are moving, man. Oh, that's why. Yeah, I get picked up in But yeah, chat, we got what? Scan glab over close, you know. So push down the top 51 and then we start to reject. Let me see this. Sour. 30. No. Bro, fly that not hard. $35. I will kill you. Just a try it. Freaking like, bro. Or 9 minutes can go push down, 5 minutes can go open up, no top wick either. It's just a new low too. Yeah. 10 seconds until we close. Why the range going down? Man, tell like price action is like a volatile chart. We're super volatile right now, but like price action, I would give it like 5 out of 10, bro. Not even 5. I say like 4 out of 10. But we're super volatile though. Price action just. I have too much of this and move that. Chat, as some buys more and take, Like, I'm looking for some buys, chat. I'm waiting for this candle to close above though. So get a closure above, we could look for some buys going up. Tell me what 34. Jesus Christ, how would that? I have 5 minute candle close in 20 seconds. So if we get a bullish closure above chat, next candle push down, print a bottom wick. We can either take a wick entry or or wait until the candle flip. We'll put buy stop on the candle flip. So let's see how we close, and this might be quick. Alright, so we'll close. Can this candle push down? Let's see, chat. One, realize a trend. There's a little trend here. Alright, chat. So this candle push down. Let me measure the range going up though. This would have been what, 24? That would have been 39. So chat, I got buy stop on this candle flip, chat. I'm not looking for any wick entry. I'm going to wait until the candle flip. You see me? Even if the wick entry would be decent, the candle flip is like an extra confirmation, so I might just wait for that. I got buy stop on the 5-minute candle flip, chat. You see me? Once this candle flip, or if this candle flip, I would be activated in buys. And let me give you the exact level, 4460.94. At that level. If we close below, then we delete buy stop. Bro. What? 94. 3 gun for my show. Maybach and a rental. Still got buy stop, chat. I just put like a blue line there instead. But I'm not activated as yet. I only got buy stop on the candle flip. If this candle flip, chat. If we flip. Yeah. I think 44.63 would be break even if this candle flip. If we push up towards 43, but I'm keep on to 44.63, that would be risk free, chat. And we'll close full at 65, 44.65. But this candle would have to flip though. We still got 2 minutes. If we don't flip, then I'll delete buy stop. Cause yeah, if we candle close bearish below, then the sellers are like sales still valid if we close bearish below. But I would expect though, chat, like since the previous candle print a low at 44.84, would I expect like the next candle is like my blind 48.92. But I expect the current candle, chat, the current 5-minute candle, once we print a low, we should be able to flip bullish. But if that don't happen and we close bearish below, that would lead to the 15-minute candle closing below as well. And if the 15 close below, we could wait for another 15-minute candle top wick, and then we look for sales. Let's see though, we have like a minute left until we close. 1 minute and 30 seconds. But like the price action, chat, I would like rate to the price action 4 out of 10. The volume is there, goal moving, but just the price action, I would say today is like slightly below average in terms of like the price action though. Volume, the volume high, volume super volatile, but the price action chop. $40 seconds, still got clean range going down, but would I still need a top wick? Still need a top wick, chat. If this 15 close below the range, we still need a top wick. I would say minimum 54.30 minimum top wick, chat. on the next 15. Minimum. If we break past that and print a steeper top wick, then good. And I also delete buy stop chart because this 15 minute candle close bearish below. So I just delete buy stop just now. Yeah. And we'll close like respecting 51. Whenever close below 51 chart, we'll close respecting. So it's still good though. Once this candle print a high, once this candle print a high, we break its high one more time. Alright, nice. Nice. 52, that's the flip. If this candle flip the rebreak of the previous candle lows, that's like 50 pips. So chat, yeah, sell stop on this 15 minute candle flip, that would be decent as well. Let me see what our stops would that be at. 3, 4. So like what? 140 or the current candle high. We could even use the current candle high as well, but it depends on where we reject from chat. See, I have a rejection level at 58. I had one at I think it was 52. We'll break that, push up towards 58. So let's see if we can reject from 58 and flip bearish. We'll get like a minute closure below chat, like just a small minute time frame closure below. Then we'll look for sells. And stops would be on like the breaker structure. Would I most likely put my stops right here, chat, at 61, 44, 61. Yeah. Or the rebreak at the highs would be decent, because if this can go flip bearish, we get a closure below on the minute time frame. This can go push up to rebreak its highs, then I would expect this can go to rebreak its highs. This should be enough to fill the previous candle wick, because that's what we're looking to target as well. The previous 15 minute candle wick. It's like what, 40 pip range going down, something like that. Yeah. So chat, I do have sell stop on the flip. I want to see this candle flip and then we get a minute closure below. And another small top wick on the minute candle. And I'm going to market execute sells. 4%. Alright. So chat, this might be quick chat. We not even break the lows yet. Not this one. Not this one. Not this minute time frame. Not this minute candle, I mean. Hey chat, the reason why I'm avoid this what you call it, this minute candle, is because we never close below 51. I'm waiting for like a closure below 51. We tap 51 and then we reject and we close respecting, bearish respecting. Yeah, the reason why I'm avoid this minute candle chat is because we never close below. This minute candle we tap 51 and we never close below. And also like 49.49, If we should get sales below 51.49 would be risk free, and 47 would be like a little close for. Yeah, let's see if we can get a closure below though. We still got 9 minutes, 5 minute candle close, bullish above. Yeah, what's the range going up? 32, 34. Okay, alright, minute bro. Be nice and make. Finally start to get some rejection chat. So the whole time I talk, we not hear, bro. Channel. So chat. I just delete some of the lines then because it just look confusing whenever you have like too much lines on the chart. But I was saying like Who that? Me afford.
Regularly,
Much 4 minutes until the 15 close. So chat, I have idea for sales below like 50, 51, but we'll need a closure below 51 though. And also I have idea for buys above like 59. But it's 15 minutes. It just depends on how this 30-minute can go close in like 4 minutes. Catch 1 hour. I just watch them, bro. Watch all of them I print, dog. I never enter. Cause I'm not getting an entry confirmation. Never gotten any entry confirmation, so I just stay out. But let me see how we close in 3 minutes though.
we can work in band in order.
Now what me right now, but me not go do that. I feel like follow a plan. I just like a whole like structure me have, you know. I may try follow whole playbook. We're most likely going to get a trade soon though. If we can manage to get a closure below 52, 51. And another top week. Retest. Your charger work? Never mind, I'll play it upon mine. See you. So chat, mini can go close below, but we'll never get a top week. Can go close below and we'll just pop straight down. So stuff like that being a happen, bro. That's why I'm stay out. Cause I'm not getting an entry confirmation. If this can go print a top week towards 52, then I'll look for sales and they can go flip or even a week entry sales. But yeah, if we just push down, fill the range, we just have to get like some new levels. Or wait for the 15, we have like a closure in 2 minutes. $30-minute can go closer as well. Wait, I really did it. I want to break this, dog. See this? I want to break this, bro. It's like that, just like every day. So you know what I mean? I want to break that, bro. So once I break that, feel like I just saw your hobby on my dog. And so you can't go no further than that. I'm put this on the charger. So you see we push down whenever top 52. So that's why I'm stay out, fill the range without top 52. So yeah, no entry confirmation once again. But we can look for sales off the next 15 chat. We still got range going down. Next destination is like 44, 33.67 and we already fill. Is that?
You know my chat there,
Yeah. Fry. You already feel let me see. Oh, because they also have white idea, yeah. I'll make sure, bro. Oh, this range going down 50. Could I look for buys sealer? Could I look for buys at 44? Breaky. The first. Could I look for buys at 44? 33. Weekend trip buys going up towards 39. Just depends though. If we push down first, I would say it can go and pop straight down first. Cause that would have been the plan. So chat, if this can go pop straight down towards 44, like 44.33, weekend trip buys. I look for some weekend trip buys going up towards 39, 44, 39. But me I'm drop a bird on the charger.
Bro,
Still good.
yo, this not work my phone. Loading phone. My phone load this already. The charger get the
Yeah. This is when you start work back to, you know. Let me see. The chat, remember, may I look for weekend trip buys at 34. Let me go for my phone. Alright, chat, just gone buys just now. Just enter buys just now, chat. Weekend trip buy at 43.34. TP would be at, as what I say, would I look for close at 43? 43, yeah. No, sorry. What is again? 39. That would have be a 40 pip range going up. So that would have be TP, chat. Yeah. Break even would have be at 36. Once we tap 36, that would have be risk free. That's like a 200 pip stops. I put my stops at 18. Yeah. 44, 18, decent. Boom. You understand like the idea behind that trade? I don't get it. You don't understand? Let me see that face up. Hold on, me a lag. Alright, I'm good. See what thing says. Hopefully not hear me. See, we'll close below. Got 30 seconds. This can go close back above. Alright, chat. What? Wait. What is going? We tap? Yeah. So chat, we basically tap break even. This is now a risk-free trade. I can't even go break even because the candle already flip bearish. It not flip bearish on MT and trade view as yet. But on MT5 it already flipped bearish. So I could go risk free as yet. But let's see if we can push up and tap that level again. Let's see if this candle can flip. But yeah, I chose like MetaTrader 5. Alright, chat. So let me see. We flip? Nah. Still no flip. Still no flip on MT5. It's kinda look weird still. But chat 36. Me just want price top 36 for once, bro. So I can go break even, bro. Alright, there we go. Break even. This is now a risk-free trade, chat. Stop loss to break even. There we go, bro. Fucking phone dead. I can't close full. Yo, chat. Close full, chat. Yo, chat. If you're in this trade right now, close full, because TP basically get hit. Phone dead. So I can't even close. My phone just died just now. But if you're in this trade, close full or make sure stop loss is at break even. I'm a fucking phone dead, bro. Rookie mistake.
You can't close up on this one.
Still haven't closed as yet, chat, cause my phone dead, bro. But let me see. Probably have to go get like a minute. Bro, that's the only reason why I'm still in this trade right now. Yeah, right, bro. You guys know I would have been close full. Let me see if I can. Yet. It's probably the longest me ever hold a trade. And not because my phone died. 100 pips, bro. 99. Can't even close, dog. Could you tell me some phone are dead, bro?
Your phone plug in good, bro.
Yeah, your phone plug in. The charge, nothing on it. The charge.
You still want to know the time run off, I think. I don't know.
It'll run up. It's running up, but this shit might reject in a second, bro. I need the phone for turn on like right now. Goal reject quick, bro. Phone still dead, chat. I can't even read the comments or nothing.
Okay, I get all this.
You feel say a lot?
What's it boom?
See it a reject. It a reject. You know, see it? Yeah, see say push down your son. Bro, no understand trading, chat. Need my phone for turn on, bro.
Yeah, but the phone good, brother.
Yeah, it a charge.
Nah, the wrap up is good. No go with the wrap up. No go with the wrap up. Only charge that, that's
Rookie mistake, chat. Imagine freaking phone dead in the middle of a trade. Won't die. still pushing though. Bro, this probably the most pips I'm gonna ever catch, and it's only because my phone died. That's how that bin close full, bro. $100 pips. No, that's not dog. Why you need to charge this? Alright, turning on right now, chat. No, if we're not on in the dog. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, bro. Alright, chat. Just close full just now. Just close full right here. Phone there 2%, but that's it for the day though, chat. Hopefully I understand the idea behind this buy entry. Yeah, the market bearish, but once you understand structure, you will understand the idea behind the trade. Even though we're bearish, it's like price never really just push down like this, one straight line down. We always print like lower highs on the way down. So it's like whenever price push down, you would expect some rejection and then break the lows, some more rejection again. So that was basically like the easiest way to like break down this trade. We push down, we top 33. This is like a strong support level. So once we top 33, I would expect some rejection. Price top, was able to reject and fill the range. Phone die, so I could have closed full. Yeah, end up close full at 41. I think I make like 80 pips off of this trade. Wait, let me see how much this was. 70. Yeah, 73 pips. But yeah, chat, basically structure. You see me? Since price push all the way down, this heavy bearish can go push all the way down top 33. I would expect in order for price to continue down, we're gonna need top wick. We're gonna need some highs. So this rejection on the minute time frame, if you drop down or if you go up towards the if I go up towards the 15-minute time frame, you're gonna see like just one rejection, just as a straight rejection, and on top of that is 15-minute can go close respecting. Here's in my chat. So yeah, let me see the hourly, same thing, 4 hour. We're still above. Yeah. So chat, that's all it was, chat. It was just we take this trade with the idea in mind that price should be able to print a lower high, even if price going to do something like this and push all the way down. We're going to need a top wick first. So that was the idea behind the trade. Even if we're going to push straight down, we're going to still need a top wick. So yeah, chat, that was 70 pips. Only made that because phone die, you know, that been close at like 30-40 pips. But GG's WD, that's the trade for the day. Today I win again, Tuesday. I fall back me sooner tomorrow, but give me 2 seconds. I try to say hopefully everybody understand the idea behind the trade, but that is it though. 70 pips today, me sooner tomorrow Wednesday. You know, we try for like continue to follow a plan. You see me? Show up and just execute. But yeah, that is it. If you have no question about the trade, you can go ahead and ask. As I'm telling you every day though, it's like the idea behind the trade are the most important thing. You see me? You probably make money off a trade, but you have to understand how you're like how the trade play out, why the trade play out. So once you understand that, you're good. You see me? But that is it right now. Me have to go do something, so me soon tomorrow in Wednesday. Yeah, same time, same place chat. You see me? The live every day, man. Make sure me not miss a day, bro. But that's it for right now. That's it for right now. Hold on, dip one. Our time 10:15. You know what, I can't even stick around no longer, bro. Me soon tomorrow. You see me? That is it for right now. That is it, chat. Love and respect to everybody who followed out on the stream. Can just drop a like on your way out. You see me? So YouTube can like shoot out the channel to like more people. But yeah, respect to everybody who followed out. That is it.